In this video, I'm going to tell you how many times a week you should be going to the gym as a beginner. First priority as a beginner is to simply make a habit of exercise. You may have read an article saying 3 times a week is the best amount of times for a beginner to go, but that really doesn't matter because you're not a robot, you're a human being with your own life and responsibilities. And is 3 times a week really going to work for your routine? If it does, great, we can stick to 3 times a week, 1-hour training sessions, spaced out through the week to allow for plenty of recovery time. Not? That's fine. What does work for your routine? Is it 1 times? 2 times? Do you need to go every day just to keep a little bit of a habit and consistency there? Ask yourself, what can I stick to for the next 4 weeks? And that is your answer right there. The only other thing to consider as a beginner is your body is going to be less conditioned, so you can overdo it. So if you did want to go 5 times a week, making sure 2 of those days focusing on mobility or steady state cardio. This is just going to allow the body to recover at a better rate, meaning you're not going to hinder your progress. After those 4 weeks, you just reassess your progress. If you're making progress, great, we'll continue that. What you're doing is working, you're perfect. Now, if you're not making progress, that's okay. You've still built in a habit of regular exercise. So that's the tip. And if you're feeling ready for it and motivated, let's add in another exercise day. Otherwise, stick to that one day, keep that consistency there, and that other day is going to fall into place when you're ready for it. That's pretty much it. You're just simply trying to make a regular habit of exercise that's going to work for you. Make sure you comment down below of how many times a week you're going to start exercising, or if you already are, how many times a week works best for your routine. If you like this video, make sure you consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one.